Hi everyone. Have you seen and checked out the new Forever Spray bottle? Talk about sustainability. Norwex is at the forefront and really cares about keeping ocean-bound plastic out of our oceans. So the Forever bottle, frosted glass, beautiful design, has the silicone sleeve with the Norwex logo, comes in graphite or gray, comes in sea mist, love that color, and it comes in white. So it comes as a set of 3, or you can buy the bottles individually. Nice with the set of 3 is you can color code them and use them for the different dilutable products that Norwex offers. So think bathroom cleaner, think odor eliminator. Love the odor eliminator in here. And also the degreaser. So you can use that. I love mine. This particular one is by my ironing board because I spritz and iron my clothing instead of using the steam, because little dust bunnies get in that steam. And when that steam comes out with a dust bunny, talk about causing a stain and an issue. So I leave the steam out, no water in my iron, and I prefer to spritz. So check out, there are several different settings you can use with the sprayer. And if you can see it comes out kind of thick and heavy. That would be ideal for the bathroom, for the shower, for the tub, or on a glass to spritz with. You can adjust the nozzle. That was a stop. There's another spray. And check out the little flap. Can you see where I opened up the flap? Give it just a little flip and it opens up, and then look at the nice fine mist. So that's what I like to use when I'm ironing. Again, you can fill this with the dilutable products. I am one that always tells everyone to use a little bit of our diluted Ultra Power Plus at half a teaspoon in 7 ounces, or since this is a 16-ounce bottle, 1 teaspoon of Ultra Power Plus can go in here. One word of warning is we have found that some of the, if it doesn't dissolve completely, the Ultra Power Plus, it could get stuck in the nozzle and then your nozzle won't work. So that has been a source of concern. I keep mine just in a little spray, cheap little spray bottle with my Ultra Power Plus. I love to use it for the bottom of my mop when my floor is extra dirty. I prefer to use, again, the other one. But Forever spray bottles. So perfect to be part of the movement and create more sustainability. Love, love, love. Enjoy, everyone. Take care. Bye.